Hi, my name is Heather. I'm a physical therapist with Breathe Physical Therapy and Wellness in Des Moines, Iowa, and I am reviewing some of my favorite pre and postpartum products. So today I'll be talking about the Milkies Milk Saver, and Milkies is spelled Milkies. It's their milk saver. You can find it for around $30 on Amazon, but it was very, very helpful for me because I actually leaked a lot. So if you find that when you're breastfeeding your baby on, let's say, your right side, that there's a lot of leakage on the left, this is a great way to get a really good milk supply. So I actually never ever pumped on maternity leave because I leaked so much and I would catch it all in this. I ended up getting over 50 ounces in 3 months with both of my kids, and this was my milk saver. So that was really nice because a lot of times it can take a lot of time to pump and be breastfeeding all at the same time. And so that's why I really enjoyed this product. And it's really easy to use. You just slip it under your bra. It's very comfortable, and it just fills up with milk. And then you store it in the refrigerator. Once it cools, you can add it to your other breast milk that you have. And then I would just wash it with soap and water or boil it as well. So this is another product that I really liked to use postpartum because it was so helpful in getting all of the milk that I needed, especially for going back to work. So again, that's the Milkies Milk Saver, Milkies Saver.